Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good night. Not sure what time you guys are seeing this video, but where I'm at, it's now morning time and it's pretty early. You guys can probably tell based on the grumpiness on my face, but nonetheless guys, I'm going to help Sasha move into her new apartment. So if you guys been following our channel, Sasha is an international student who landed here in Grand Prairie a couple of days ago. She's been staying in an hotel because everything wasn't finalized with her apartment. So she was there like for a couple nights, nothing crazy. I'm going over to the hotel right now, help her move over to her apartment and then help her get some stuff, right? So come along guys as we help Sasha transition into Grand Prairie. If you guys are new here, please take a second, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. Now, we are going to be showing you guys this so you guys have an idea of what it would be like if you are the one who is transitioning here into Grand Prairie. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Stick around and see you guys on the road.
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, something new.
Fast at the tester. Not quite, not quite. So this, Sasha is really shy guys, so don't take it easy with her. And I'm gonna say this. When persons from Jamaica migrate to Canada and people from Jamaica see them and recognize them, be good to them, be glad for them. I don't want anybody screenshotting anybody and sending anybody to their previous workplace and saying, oh, this is where this person is, or that is where that person is. I appreciate all of your support. Oh, careful, you're trying to break your hands. Yeah, I appreciate all of your support. I appreciate all of your support, but yeah, that's not necessary. Oh, let me just say this, Sasha. I'm really excited that you're actually here in Grand Prairie, right? And big up yourself for choosing Grand Prairie. See, I'm wearing my Northwestern Polytechnic hoodie, and that's your school. So we always represent. Now, this spot at Walmart right here is just like toys and stuff. So this is just browsing. But we're looking for some cleaning products because Sasha have to clean our place before she move in. My brain didn't even bring me there. My brain didn't even bring me there. But we're gonna go and look for some cleaning products. We just got an air mattress, temporary, while she get her official bed. My suggestion, of course, because like when you're new and you're doing things in a rush, sometimes you get rip off and you don't get the best deal. So I always suggest a temporary measure, give you enough time so you can get the best deal, that's one. And two, you just start transition. Hold on for the money as long as possible, I always say that, right? Full body mirror where I deal with. Yeah, I have to make sure from head to toe. Fit? Okay. Okay, Sasha. So yeah, remember I was telling you that I can get like bed in a box. This is what that look like. Oh. Right? And then I have one of the same type of mattress like this, but coming out on box.
Okay.
And then, but you have to take out the mattress out of the box, put it on it and make it foam up. Yeah, make it set. But that usually take like a couple of days. Okay. So if I want a Walmart bed, the bed set would be, see that? $179 for this. And this is what size is? Twin. But they have the same in a queen and king. Okay. So you can get literally anything in a box. Like look at this. You can get furniture in a box. You can get dresser in a box. You can get closet in a box. You can get couch in a box. Everything you can get in a box. Yeah. No, do it yet, yeah. So when we say furniture in our box, we mean everything in our box. Right? Everything in our box. Don't get me wrong, you know, the quality is not pristine because it's not real wood. It's It's like a knockoff wood. I'm not sure the exact name, but. Mm-hmm. So cleaning products is what we're looking for right now. So if you look, you can get your tin mackerel, you can get your cock soup, your browning, scotch bonnet, your jerk seasoning, the coconut milk, your corned beef. This seasoning is also good. This one, actually I'm gonna pick it up because I need one. I need one from also. Let me buy that. Sometimes you have like supplement, you have like a soda, coconut water, but Shirley biscuit, tough crackers, make it cross the waters. But that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it, right? But you have an African store that. Let's go this way. You have an African store that you can get other stuff, but definitely not as much as in other parts. Like you can't get like your breadfruit and everything that I really love. But so this flavor or this fragrance. And you're gonna use these ones. No.
Right time you press that, you don't want nothing else.
Yeah. So the broom we use, we just use any broom actually. So. I think it's a deal. 3 for 10. But as if you prefer this one or the one that you, as I say, you punch the bag.
So it's one or the other. Not your egg.
Well, I suggest that this don't really matter. It's whatever you prefer, right? Whatever you prefer. Yeah, and you have even more down here, like 2 for $7 kind of thing. But those are that. But that probably lasts longer as well. Alright, so broom, you want one rest scoop. That's easier. Good to go. Warm up. Bucket right there, son. No, not at all. And your apartment, is it carpeted? We don't remember. It's what? Ceramic flooring, nice flooring. So you need point saw. Okay, smell up the floor, you know, clean it off. Yes. No, just one. I was thinking more like this. This is one that I'm familiar with. Otherwise, it's really just different fragrance.
Okay.
And then if I want bleach, right here. You have bleach, you have bowl cleaners, all of those stuff. You can get smaller back to bleach as well. Okay, probably don't need such a big one. That for $3, that for $2. And when we go shopping, grocery shopping, you can buy dishwashing liquid and laundry detergent. But I don't know if you need like these stuff, like gloves, you know, Scotch Brite, stuff like that. I'm not sure how extensive of a clean I go do. Yeah, you can probably get some of this though. Reasonable cloth. This very handy for wipe down stuff. So you probably definitely need that as well. And that good even for the shower.
Yeah.
Like in there you can just
Yeah, connect it,
you know how it is. Windex. You said you want something for the glass. Right in front of our general there. Windex. And then you have a cloth already, so that's good. What else we can think of?
Bad way. It's in a non-curable condition, so you just don't have pressure pants.
Yeah, make it yours.
Yeah.
This, yeah. Yeah. That's that. Gotcha. But it's cozy though.
Yep.
I love it.
So, lunch is not here. I don't think it's 2 doors. Maybe.
The last one. Probably not make last one.
And like if Amazon send me nothing,
You come to the door.
it's come right after?
Yeah, usually.
So they never take a pic?
Not really.
She saw me want some box.
Yeah, it have that lock-up smell there. But once I clean it out, yo, like, we love how cozy it is. All right, here, sir.
Yeah.
Just says somebody come fix it.
Yeah. But that's why, is it then push it up or something and anti-strap it?
I need blinds for right, sir.
No, I say the window.
All right, at the door?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I can't put no curtain there, so. So yes, someone want your board.
Why, curtain was there. Look. Look, curtain was here. Well, that's curtain.
So do curtain then?
Blinds is gonna be expensive. But that's curtain. See that? Another wall. Somebody had curtain there.
So like for this so, though, when I put curtain there, so it now go buffer off and make it like come through.
Not really.
Because you put it, I just up on the board there and put it in.
You can put.
So unless I'm gonna get short.
You can get a shorter curtain. You can get like almost like a kitchen curtain, the smaller ones. You can definitely get that, for sure. But yeah, man, you're allowed to put holes and stuff in the wall, but holes already there, so it's easy. Pan the baseboard.
Yep.
See, I love your stove. I love your stove. Eh? You don't know how to light it? So you just turn it. So this burner is to the back. This right here, sir, is to this. This right here, oven.
No, these are oven.
Yeah.
Really.
So this is for the front.
These are ovens,
See, show you. This is for the front, and that's for the back. How you light it? Turn it. So that's I. So the back one right there. So is which one is on right now? See it? So that's on I. You want to turn on the stove? You turn it down accordingly. Always it low, and then off. That's it. Easy peasy. But when you're cooking though, you want to make sure that you turn on your range. If you're frying anything, otherwise the smoke detector will go off. Okay, every unit has smoke detector, house, apartment.
Oh, so just turn on mirror if you
So-
know the loud.
Can be loud, so I just turn it on low. That's I. So what you do, you take the smoke and push it outside. So if you just light frying, light smoke, you just put it on low. If you don't go out, every duty cooking in here, pressure cooker go in. Oh, they're coming to fix that. Yeah. Yeah, you can tell her. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely. I like the flooring, it's really modern. And you have really modern lighting. Yeah. You need, they have the curtain thing already. So the thing you're asking me about, you just drop it across. Yeah. Definitely. But this is easy. Just throw it up and...
Yeah, but man, I think long curtain, but this look like I'm never get a shower and can go bounce off
Mm-hmm.
and just make lighter come.
You want midnight.
Yeah.
You know
Yeah. Me want, if me want like my movie.
Mm-hmm. And a nice little bathroom with the smallest sink in the world. But I like the things on the wall. I like the tile. I like the tile.
Room now have no lock. I guess you can't assume say you're alone.
He's a single person.
Yeah.
So you want the room for have lock?
Me put the suitcase in the person. Yeah.
Why?
Right. Me don't know what. Where's all this not a grill? Me I say.
Look here, it's not Jamaica, you know. What kind of grill are you talking about? There's no house, apartment. You're gonna see grill and. So that culture there, no man, it's gonna take some time to come out there. But yeah, you understand. Like a place though, very cozy, extreme, easy to set. You're alone, nice, comfortable. That's it. You don't need anything more than this. And everything everything is new. Stove is new, fridge is new.
Yeah, I realize.
We did confirm that.
Yeah, I realize that.
One of the worst things I hate personally is old appliances. I prefer to live in an old building with new appliances than a new building with old appliances. That's me.
And the cupboard look like it gets some touch up. I think, you know, then just do it back over.
Fairly new, yeah. You go to Grizzle and I have storage under here as well. Bachelorette lifestyle. So are you like a person who cook a lot?
No, I just cook to survive.
Survival
Yeah,
mode?
coming in like the
Are you ready?
food already.
You're the pizza. Oh, this is more storage.
Yeah, so I can just put the suitcase them up and so.
Yeah. Alright, Leah, let's get to cracking. Yes, guys. So what did you guys think about that little cozy apartment? I like it very much, sorry. When Nats and I looked on it, we like it because it's the perfect spot for a single person. The rent for that apartment, if you guys may be wondering, I think was $1,100. It's a one bedroom single person. Hold on, let me figure out the seatbelt. It's like a single person spot, right? But it's not a studio. It's a one bedroom apartment. Laundry is not in suite, but laundry is on site, and water and heat is included in the rent. So the only thing you pay for yourself is internet and gas, which is not bad. It's very close to downtown, walking distance, 3 minutes from downtown. So Sasha is gonna find it very convenient going to the bus stop. And there's a bus stop like probably 30 seconds from our door. So in the winter time as a newcomer, that will be very handy as well. So these are some of the things that we think about when we're trying to find an apartment for someone. Now, what I would like to say, guys, is that the apartment availability is definitely drying up in Grand Prairie. There's a lot of persons coming here. So if it is that you guys are thinking of coming to Grand Prairie, you cannot be looking for an apartment within a couple of days or within even a couple of weeks, because something might not be available, right? So you want to make sure that you're giving yourself enough time to find something convenient. And I'd say probably at least a month. Anything over a month is bonus, but at minimum a month. If it is that you're thinking of moving here and you want like finding an apartment and stuff like that. I was just telling Sasha about some of the resources that's available here, many of which I'm working on myself. We're working on building a Caribbean association. Well, that's not gonna be the name, but something of that kind where we can connect persons from the Caribbean, persons from the diaspora living here in Grand Prairie and region to each other. We'll have an adapter family part of it, where like persons who are new here and existing family who is here will be able to adopt that newcomer and guide them through. Let them know the different resources, help them know what bank to bank with, what credit card to take out, or to build them credit. And simply just being there for that newcomer. So if they're having like a family dinner, they can invite that newcomer, so they know that, okay, then they are part of a community, they're not by themselves. That's one of the things that we're definitely looking into doing. It's like 80% done. It's after growing already. We just have a few more meetings to finalize all of that. making it official. So definitely that's something that's been worked on. So if you're here in Grand Prairie and you're new, you know that that's something that's coming out very soon. Another thing that we're going to be doing is different events. Next year we're going to be hosting a Caribbean Jerk Festival here in Grand Prairie. Myself and the group that we're organizing to form, the Caribbean group. We're going to be having a Caribbean Jerk Fest Festival next year. And then we're also going to have like a Jamaican Day Independence celebration in Grand Prairie as well, in addition to the things that are already happening, the Black History Month events, the Afro Time that happened the other day that I went. All of these things are all in an effort to spread Black culture, but also to spread Caribbean culture, Jamaican culture here in Grand Prairie. There's a lot of persons coming here, so we feel like it's necessary to have a presence. So those are some of the things that's being worked on. And huge shout out to all the persons who have been supporting the Anderson's family. You guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much for always showing us love, always showing us support. Really appreciate it, guys. We're almost at 14,000 subscribers, but we can't do it without your help. So if you're watching this video and you haven't yet subscribed, please take a second to hit that subscribe button. Really helps us out. Take a minute to smash a like on the video. It really helps out the video, helps out the channel as well. And leave a comment, guys. Let me know what you think about this video, but also let me know if you have any suggestions based on what I've spoken about. Let me know what you think about the apartment. Just give your general feedback. And if you had transitioned here into Canada, what was your transition like? Did you have this kind of support? Or did you find it convenient? Were you alone? What was your experience? I'm really interested to hear about all those experiences in the comment section. Let's have a chat in the comment section. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. And again, I'm repping for Northwestern Polytechnic. That's the college I went to. That's the college Sasha is going to. That's the college that Nats went to. So if you guys are looking into a college, Northwestern Polytechnic is definitely an option. All right, until next time, see you guys in the next video. Peace.